Conservation agriculture is an approach to farming that focuses on sustainable and regenerative practices aimed at preserving soil health, enhancing biodiversity, and promoting long-term agricultural productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Conservation agriculture emphasizes three core principles: minimal soil disturbance, permanent soil cover, and diversified crop rotations. Here's an overview of conservation agriculture and how to practice sustainable farming. Minimal soil disturbance. Conservation agriculture minimizes soil disturbance by reducing or eliminating tillage practices that disrupt soil structure, deplete soil organic matter, and increase erosion risk. Instead of traditional plowing or intensive tillage, conservation agriculture promotes no-till or reduced tillage methods that preserve soil structure, improve water infiltration, and enhance soil health and fertility. Permanent soil cover. Conservation agriculture promotes the use of permanent soil cover, such as crop residues, cover crops, and mulches, to protect the soil from erosion, conserve moisture, and suppress weed growth. Maintaining continuous soil cover helps prevent soil erosion, reduce evaporation, and improve soil moisture retention, leading to more resilient and productive agricultural systems. Diversified crop rotations. Conservation agriculture encourages diversified crop rotations and intercropping systems that enhance soil fertility, pest and disease management, and ecosystem resilience. Rotating different crops with varying root structures, nutrient needs, and growth cycles helps break pest and disease cycles, improve soil health, and maintain biodiversity in agricultural landscapes. Integrated pest management. Practice integrated pest management, IPM, strategies to minimize the use of synthetic pesticides and herbicides and promote natural pest control methods. Implement techniques such as crop rotation, biological pest control, habitat management, and trap cropping to manage pests and diseases while reducing chemical inputs and preserving beneficial insects and wildlife. Nutrient management. Implement balanced nutrient management practices to optimize soil fertility and minimize nutrient losses to the environment. Use organic amendments such as compost, manure, and cover crops to improve soil organic matter and nutrient levels, and supplement with targeted applications of mineral fertilizers based on soil testing and crop nutrient requirements. Water conservation and irrigation efficiency. Practice water conservation and efficient irrigation techniques to minimize water use and reduce the risk of soil erosion and water pollution. Implement drip irrigation, precision irrigation, and rainwater harvesting systems to deliver water directly to plant roots, reduce evaporation, and maximize water efficiency in agricultural production. Agroforestry and agroecology. Integrate agroforestry and agroecological principles into farming systems to enhance biodiversity, soil health, and ecosystem services. Plant trees, shrubs, and perennial crops alongside annual crops to provide shade, windbreaks, and habitat for beneficial insects and wildlife, and promote ecological resilience and carbon sequestration in agricultural landscapes. Soil conservation and erosion control. Implement soil conservation and erosion control measures such as contour farming, terracing, and vegetative buffer strips to prevent soil erosion and sedimentation in agricultural fields. Protect sensitive areas such as riparian zones, wetlands, and steep slopes from erosion and degradation, and restore degraded soils and landscapes through reforestation and soil rehabilitation efforts. Community engagement and knowledge sharing. Engage with local communities, farmers, and stakeholders to promote sustainable farming practices, build capacity, and share knowledge and experiences. Facilitate farmer-to-farmer learning exchanges, participatory research initiatives, and extension programs that empower farmers to adopt and adapt sustainable farming techniques suited to their specific contexts and needs. Policy support and market incentives. Advocate for supportive policies, incentives, and market mechanisms that encourage and reward sustainable farming practices. Promote subsidies, tax incentives, and financial support for conservation agriculture adoption, and create market opportunities and premium prices for sustainably produced agricultural products to incentivize farmers to invest in sustainable farming practices. By practicing conservation agriculture and adopting sustainable farming practices, farmers can protect and enhance natural resources, improve agricultural productivity and resilience, and contribute to a more sustainable and resilient food system that benefits both people and the planet.